Hey, hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can cancel your mattress firm order, and all official ways, all methods you can see on your screen. So let's get started.
Cancel mattress firm order by calling. Before delivery, you can cancel your mattress firm order by calling your salesperson at the phone number which is available on your invoice. The invoice numbers of Mattress Firm are 8445221718 and 8773842903. You just need to make a simple call on one of these numbers and tell your salesperson that you no longer want this particular order. Provide them with your order details, and in a phone call, they will try to cancel your order, and finally the order is not delivered to you. And you are done. Method 2. Cancel mattress firm order via customer service form. Mattress Firm also gives you the option of cancelling your order by contacting their customer support team via the customer service form. Fill out the required given customer service form and select Cancel my entire order in the What type of request is this category and hit the Submit button. Your cancellation request will be sent to them. And you are done.
Dear friends, by using this method you can easily cancel your mattress firm order. Hope you like this video. If yes, please hit a like button, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.